Hi everyone, this is Shvangi and welcome back to the Daydream Project. I do get a lot of queries regarding makeup brushes. Now, most of the brushes which I use personally are either from PAC Cosmetics or ProArt or Morphe. But since a lot of you asked me to make videos on affordable makeup brushes, I did a Shein haul of makeup brushes. So in today's video, I'm going to review the 4 makeup brush sets which I picked from Shein. These are all the brushes, guys, and yes, this is a Wet n Wild makeup brushes dupe. Also, certain links and details about my makeup for today will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out once. Just letting you guys know that I did today's makeup using a mix of all these brushes to know for sure how they work and if they are any good. Now, without further ado, let's begin our Shein makeup brush haul with brush set number 1. The first makeup brush set which I'm featuring is this one. This is a marble handle eye makeup brush set. It comes with 4 brushes. 3 are blending brushes in different sizes and 1 is a little flatter, but it's almost like a blending brush. I was a little excited when I saw this makeup brush set because it retails for 186 rupees and I can never have enough blending brushes. I do a lot of eye makeup and I always need extra blending brushes. So yeah, I got them. I tried them and they turned out to be utterly useless, guys. These brushes are not dense enough to be blending brushes, they are not flat enough to be eyeshadow application brush, and they don't even pick enough pigment. I saw the reviews. I don't know how so many people like them because they just did not work for me, and also they feel quite cheap. They're not full-size brushes, but then again they just retail for 186 rupees, so I did not have very high expectations from them. If you go to Shein and you see this set, please don't get it. It's really not worth it. The second set which I bought is this one. This is called Polychrome Handle Brush Set and it comes with 5 brushes. Honestly, I only picked this up, guys, because it just looked too pretty in the pictures and they do look very pretty in person as well. Now, coming to the quality of these brushes, the quality is decent, guys. This set retails for 448 rupees and I think for the price the quality is pretty good. These are soft brushes. There's a blusher brush, there is a angular brush which is really good for contouring. These 2 makeup brushes definitely blend your blush and your contour pretty well. And then we've got 3 eye makeup brushes in this. There are 2 applicator brushes in different size and 1 blending brush. This blending brush, however, is not that great, though it is not as bad as the first set that I showed you. It is not that dense and fluffy, but the good thing about this brush set is that all these brushes pick up pigment pretty well. Overall, I can just say that if you're somebody who doesn't go too heavy on the eye makeup, like you just do some basic stuff, then you can consider buying this brush set. It can work as a good set for basic everyday makeup. The next set is an eye makeup brush set and this is by DioCare. It comes with 7 makeup brushes and this is one set which has actually impressed me quite a bit. Now, the first brush is this big fluffy brush. You can't really use this for detailed application, but if you're only using one shade on your eyelid, then this is the brush which can work perfectly well for it. Second brush is a blending brush. This blending brush is of good quality. It is fluffy, it is dense, and it blends the eyeshadow pretty nicely and pretty neatly. No complaints with this one whatsoever. It also comes with 2 applicator brushes. One is of a bigger size, one is of a smaller size. Both these brushes work pretty well too. And next we've got this flat brush. Now, guys, I'll tell you something. My eye makeup is all about cut creases most of the time. In fact, 95% of the time the eye makeup which I do includes a cut crease, and I don't think I found a brush as good as this one to cut my crease. I will definitely give you a demo on how I cut my crease with this one, but this has the perfect width, the perfect shape to cut a crease. Honestly, this is one brush which made it totally worth it for me because I'm just way too impressed with this flat brush. And the last brush which comes with this set is this brush. This is an eyebrow brush, so it has a spoolie, it has a good angular brush to do your eyebrows. The only thing which is missing in this brush set is an eyeliner brush, but considering the quality, the way all these brushes pick up pigment, the way they blend the eyeshadow, I can't complain much about it, guys. I highly recommend this brush set. Alright guys, now the last makeup brush set is this brush set. This is a dupe of Wet n Wild brushes. I had to pick this one. I really wanted to try them out. I own two Wet n Wild brushes guys. I own one highlighter brush and a blusher brush. Let me show you the side-by-side comparison of both these brushes. Okay guys, so this is the Wet n Wild blusher brush which I've been using for a few months now, and this is the blusher brush which came with the set. Just look at it. You really can't make out the difference. The quality feels the same. The softness is the same. I did use this brush today and these brushes are actually pretty good. The only thing which I can say is that I think the Wet n Wild one is a little more denser than this brush, but even this brush works equally well. It feels soft, it feels nice, and when you hold it, it doesn't feel cheap or anything. And comparing with the Wet n Wild brushes, the price of this entire brush set is insanely cheap. So this is the blusher brush which I'm comparing here. Now the highlighter brush. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter brush which I have, and this is the highlighter brush which comes with this set. Again guys, the only difference is that the Wet n Wild brush is a notch denser than the brush which comes with this set, but it works equally well and it is soft and it is nice. It feels good. The rest of the brushes which come in this set are these. There's one large powder brush, then there's a smaller powder brush. This is good to pack powder under your eyes, to bake your eyes and stuff. The large one is of course good for your entire face. Then there is a contouring brush. Now this is actually quite precise. I like my contouring brush more fluffier so that I can blend them nicely, but I did contour my face using this brush, and though I'm not used to it, but it's still a good brush. Next is this brush. The design of this brush is exactly like the Fenty Beauty highlighter brush, and this is supposed to be used to highlight your cheeks. Now the only thing which I'm not impressed with in this makeup brush set is that there are not enough eye makeup brushes in this set. There are 3 brushes which they've given. There are 2 blending brushes in 2 different sizes, and one is a flatter brush for application. I'm not saying these are bad brushes, but the blending brush just doesn't work on your eyelid because the bristles are way too long. I actually use this to highlight my nose and it worked pretty well for that. So anyway, I'll end up using this for something. These 2 brushes, no complaints. They pick up pigment well. The applicator brush is nice, and the smaller blending brush is actually pretty good. I paid more than 1200 rupees to buy these 2 Wet n Wild brushes, and this entire set costs 919 rupees. So yes guys, I am super impressed with these brushes, especially for face makeup. I think this is a brilliant set and it's a good deal. I know that there are not enough eye brushes, but then again, when you look at all the sets, like I had a look at a lot of sets guys. There are sets which come with 24 brushes, 25 brushes. I will always recommend that you buy a brush set which is specifically meant for eye makeup. As far as this one goes, this will also work really well for you if you do just some basic eye makeup. Overall, I highly recommend this brush set guys. It comes with a cute pouch too, so yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. I was not expecting the Wet n Wild dupes to be this good. We've come to an end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can do that too. I post updates about upcoming videos and a lot of makeup things that I do. So if at all you want, you can go ahead and follow me there as well. Also guys, if you do like this video, make sure that you leave a like, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe right now. We post a lot of fun stuff. We keep doing crazy things, so make sure that you hit that red button and stay tuned. On that note, I am signing off for now. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!